Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Wise Plus bank account for commissions step by step clearly. To withdraw money using Wise, start by logging into your Wise account. Navigate to the balances section on your dashboard. Select the currency balance you wish to withdraw from. Click on the withdraw option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Choose your bank account as the destination for the funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, select the option to add a new account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and sort code, or IBAN and BIC for international transfers. Double-check the information you provided to ensure it's accurate. Once confirmed, save the bank account details. Return to the withdrawal process and confirm your bank account is selected. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and currency. Click on the Confirm or Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. Wise will display an estimated delivery time for your withdrawal. You will receive an email confirmation once the withdrawal is processed. Monitor your bank account to ensure the funds arrive as expected. If there are any issues, check the Wise Help Center for support options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.